Promoting the 988 Lifeline was never just about making sure people knew the number. Our research helped craft messages to validate New Yorkers who might feel misunderstood or alone, and made mental health equity a core component of the state's efforts. We can point to hundreds of millions of impressions and notable increases in calls, texts, and chats to 988. But for us, if even one person got the help they needed, it's a reminder of why this work really matters.
Over the last 10 years, and under a unified brand for the last 3, the Albany Med Health System has continued to grow. Our 4 hospitals form the largest regional health system with more than 80 medical and surgical specialties, and a significant focus on caring for women. Our goal was to highlight all the routine and complex care we provide to women, and in many cases, from women, that is comprehensive, qualitative, and trustworthy.
As part of our project, Excelsior University celebrates 200,000 alumni. Our goal was to honor a historic milestone and deepen community engagement. To do this, we launched a multi-channel campaign that included a commemorative postcard mailing to 175,000 alumni, a pre-commencement celebration event, and the 200K for 200K fundraising initiative. This project was successful because it united our community, generated over $300,000 in alumni giving, and, most importantly, celebrated every graduate's contribution to Excelsior's legacy of lifelong learning.
We launched the Less is More campaign to elevate awareness, protect market share, and grow surgical volume. Our integrated strategy used digital, video, search, social, and special events to reach patients and providers. By showcasing faster recovery times and better outcomes, we achieved volume growth of more than 42%. We're honored to be able to celebrate 20 years of robotic surgery and our status as a national leader. Less is More wasn't just a message, it was a movement.
Each year, New Yorkers buy about 36.6 million gallons of paint, and about 10% of that goes unused. Paint Care helps make it easy for people and businesses to recycle leftover paint through a convenient drop-off network. To promote Paint Care, we pursued a community mural project in partnership with Albany Parking Authority and documented its progress on a dedicated landing page at paintcare.org/mural. Our goal was to tell a compelling regional story through a series of blogs, photos, and information about the project, the partnership, and the local artist.
As part of our work with Project First Line New York, our goal was to deliver scalable, engaging infection control training to frontline healthcare workers across 1,200 nursing homes and assisted living facilities throughout New York State. To do this, we developed an interactive virtual escape room and launched a multi-channel media campaign to drive adoption statewide. We're proud of this project because it reimagined education through gamification and helped protect communities by empowering healthcare workers with critical infection control knowledge.
We worked with the New York Providers Alliance to highlight the dire need for increased Medicaid reimbursement rates for the long-term care community. Upstate nursing homes were struggling, facing a shortage of beds and staff, and sometimes having to close entirely. We executed an integrated marketing campaign, including paid media and earned media, using the voices from nursing home providers and other medical leaders across the state. The campaign was successful because we were able to explain how a lack of funding impacts everyone, not just individuals and families in long-term care, but the entire healthcare system.
The Caring Gene Career Pathways Training Program is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to help New Yorkers start or grow meaningful careers in healthcare without the burden of student debt. To make that happen, we partnered with colleges, training programs, and healthcare providers across the state by sharing toolkits, press material, and resources to help spread the word. These partnerships not only built awareness, but also positioned Caring Gene as a trusted ally in growing New York's healthcare workforce. We're proud to see this program changing lives, helping more than 2,300 New Yorkers advance their healthcare careers while addressing workforce shortages in upstate and rural communities to strengthen access to care.